Puka Pu'u Hulu Hulu, Pu'u Honua o Nala'au Maoli, Native Tree Sanctuary and Nature Trail. What's up guys, welcome back for another episode of Dremix Vlogs. See, I told you I was gonna post a video once a week. Monday though, don't forget. If you haven't been here before, like and subscribe. We do adventure vlogs, a little bit of fishing, a little bit of hunting, a little bit of all that good stuff. So join the gang because we're going places. Right now we're doing adventure vlogs on the Big Island, hopefully eventually throughout the world. Yeah. It's about 1:35, the weather is not that bad. It's kind of overcast. It's better than 90-degree weather. So today I got with me is my girlfriend, Felicia. I have been on Saddle Road before, I just never did this hike before. And I guess this is the new norm for this channel because I keep hiking in slippers, and so is my girlfriend. So like I said earlier, never been here. This mountain is kind of like that mountain over there, right there. It's kind of like a pimple in the middle of nowhere. I wouldn't say mountain, it's more of a hill or a giant hill, I guess. So we came into a fork in the road. I'm guessing we're gonna take the right. It's so peaceful in here. I already forget the name of the place. Kipuka, Pu'uana, Kipuka, Pu'u Honua, Na'au Maoli, something like that. So I pulled a noob move again. I forgot the controller to the drone. But it's alright because I can fly it just from my phone, but I can't go as far as I would with the remote. I guess I'm gonna do drone shots at half power. Man, got a little bit higher. Got a little bit higher in elevation. Don't forget to keep your sense of adventure. Never lose that. Keep it and use it. Whoa, loads of people. You know what I actually found too? There's a tree in the middle of nowhere. In the middle of the lava field of death, there is a tree, there is life. And there's Mauna Loa right there. And my battery's dying. We'll check out the side of the hill that we are on. Pretty cool. I was thinking of getting some drone shots, but I'd have to throw a random montage in the middle of my vlog. That's alright, send it. We are preparing to fly the drone. We're gonna have it following us over here. Are you stoked? Oh. What that? My battery for that camera. And yeah, my drone battery died. That's why I didn't have that random montage of a drone shot. But that's okay, I got an extra battery. We might go up to Mauna Loa, but not all the way up. Maybe like halfway or something. Something to fly the drone. So we're at the top of the hill that we are on. And it is crazy beautiful up here. Bunch of lava fields. And that is Mauna Loa. The next time we come here, we should have like a little picnic or something. Here's a trail. We can still do it.
I think this one takes us down.
Yeah, let's do this way. Never mind, Leisha has spoken. We shall go to the left. Indeed.
Happy.
Yep, let's just take a random trail. In that direction is the road up to Mauna Loa. I remember looking up at this part of the hill while we were sitting on the side of the road, on that road. And this is what it looks like from the inside. I think I'm ready to go up to Mauna Loa. We were taking an alternative trail back to our car and my ADD kicked in. Distraction at its finest. Can't go that way. Wow. Nah, let's go this way. Beautiful indeed. I like this, it's so peaceful. You hear a little bit of birds. I'm guessing what we're hearing. You probably can't hear it, but it's probably crickets or some kind of insect. These trees have these weird mossy things growing off of them. I'm vlogging here!
Sorry.
And of course, me, being the person who I am, Mr. Unpreparedness of the Year, did no research about this place. All good, still send. Oh, I need to touch it. When I first seen this wall, I thought it was soft gravel. That's why I needed to touch it, but Send it! So I'm still gonna send it. Woo! It is soft gravel. This thing can fall. I want to throw a rock at it. Maybe not. You can peel it off, it's crumbly. But let me try one more time. Because I tried here. Yeah, you can kind of muscle your way one off. But this one, the dry one, yeah, I think it's the same. Oh, yeah, that one moves. Yeah, I better get out of here before it falls on me. On our way to Mauna Loa. From the highway up until now, it seems like we've been driving for what, like about 10 minutes, and only now we start hitting the bottom slope of Mauna Loa. We have arrived at our destination. So we decided not to go all the way up to the top of the mountain. It's kind of far. We probably drove about 15 minutes, and we're not even there yet. Probably not even halfway there yet. But it's all good. It's still beautiful. A little windy. I don't know, I don't think I should fly the drone. Yeah, that's alright, still send it. Nothing too crazy. We didn't do too much. Did a little bit of adventuring today. So thanks for sticking around and watching this little vlog. It has been a good time. It was fun. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Say something that I should do something else. Give me an idea. It'll be pretty cool to get some kind of feedback. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Dremix. And until next week, Monday, aloha. Shoot.
Da 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 da